Evening folks, just another makeup tutorial for using the Oh My Glam makeup. First of all, this is our brand ambassador Lisa, and she is showing you how she is using the amazing Juliette Armand acne products to cleanse and moisturise her skin prior to starting the tutorial. Now Lisa won't mind me saying that she actually was really struggling with her skin recently, and she started using the Juliette Armand clarifying cleanser, toner and moisturiser, and her skin is night and day. She actually feels comfortable going out without any makeup on now. Just now, Lisa is applying a primer to her eyes. As you can see, she's using the patting technique that I discussed the other day and how that helps to mattify. So Lisa's decided to use the Metallicah eyeshadow palette, and the first colour Lisa has decided to go in using is the Jagger colour. Now you can see using a fluffy brush that Lisa is just accentuating the eye contour area in at the socket. The next colour Lisa has decided to go for is Hallen, which is right next to Jagger on the Metallicah palette. Again, she's just kind of going in at the outer corner and into the eye socket just to give it that wee bit more depth and definition, and again without being too heavy. Now Lisa has decided to highlight underneath the brown with the lightest colour in the palette called Moon. Really natural shade. Now she's having a cup of tea, scratching her shoulders. Oh, what am I going to do next? Next colour Lisa has decided to go for is Rothrock. This is the darkest, I would say, colour in the palette apart from Slash, which is black. So most people who like their browns would probably use all three of these colours really well together. You can see Lisa's just blending that out so there's no harsh lines round about the eyes. Now Lisa's just going to do a wee bit of clearing up underneath the eyes. This is why I always do my eyes first, because you always lose a wee bit of product, and if you've already done your foundation, there's nothing worse than having to rub some of it off because your eyeshadow's falling onto your cheek. Now the next colour Lisa's going on with is Bowie, which is more of a glittery pigment. Some people prefer to apply the glittery pigments with their fingers, but you can see Lisa's using the brush, and that's absolutely fine because everybody does everything differently in makeup. I've been trained so many places and it's so many different techniques. I prefer to use my finger just because I think I don't actually have a brush that suits it. And your brushes are so important. Now Lisa's just priming the skin, getting it ready for putting her foundation on. Now that Lisa has got her foundation on, the next thing that she has decided to do is use the Halo amazing liquid highlighter from Oh My Glam in the colour Pearl. You can see she's just applying that to her cheekbones. Basically highlighters, girls, you should apply anywhere where the light would naturally hit first of all. So that's the likes of your cheeks, up round at your temples there. Some people like to put it on their nose, on their upper lip, but just be careful with the upper lip because sometimes it can make it look quite sweaty. Now Lisa is going in with Oh My Glam's Flash Highlighting Palette. Now you can see her here, she's looking, what one am I going to use? And she has decided to go for Icy Pearl. Now this palette actually has 6 highlighters in it. You've got Princess Peach, Icy Pearl, Lilac Sea, Rose Champagne, Ocean Lavender and Gold Turquoise. So you can see why she took a few minutes there to make up her mind. And now you can see her just applying the highlighter to those bits that I was telling you about. Nose, upper lip, along the cheekbones and in at the eyes as well. So you can see folks, we have jumped forward ever so slightly. Lisa has just gone back and started using Jagger, which is one of the eyeshadows from the Metallicah palette, and she has started using that to contour her cheeks. So one of the best things you can do for your makeup collection, folks, is use products that you buy for a certain area, but you can customize them and use them in other areas. If you can use a bronzer in your eyes, do it. If you can use an eyeshadow as a bronzer, do it. And here again we see Lisa using the same colour again, Jagger, and she's just doing under her eyes. A lot of people don't really like having colour under their eyes, but I love it. I love to continue my eyeshadow from my upper lid onto my lower lid. I just think it really seals the deal and finishes the look. Now, folks, how bloomin' easy does Lisa make that winged eyeliner look? There's not a hope in hell you will be able to catch me doing my winged eyeliner as precise and as quick and as amazing as what that girl does. It's phenomenal. So here Lisa is just lining the lips, getting them all ready and prepped for applying her lipstick or lip stain. What one is she going to go for? What I did send her through was the Lippy kit, and she has decided to go for the Rose Quartz lip stain. Now, the other day my mum asked me what's the difference between lipstick and lip stain. Lip stain will stain the lips, it'll last longer, gives more of a matte finish. Lipstick doesn't last as long and it's more of a glossy finish. And there we go, folks, another makeup tutorial completed by Lisa, our brand ambassador. Tonight she's used the Metallicah eyeshadow palette, the Flash highlighter palette, both of those retail at £25, and then the liquid highlighter, which retails at £10. Now I'm just going to show you another two looks which have also been created using this palette, which just shows you how versatile the Metallicah eyeshadow palette really is. Thanks for watching.